everyone. You're listening to VIT Community Radio 90.8 FM. This is your RJ and Mariya. Today, we're reflecting on the International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination, a day that calls for awareness, action, and solidarity against racial inequality worldwide. Let's dive into the significance of this day and why it's so crucial in shaping a better, more inclusive future for all. On March 21st, every year, we pause to remember the tragic events of 1960 South Africa, where 69 people were killed by police while protesting apartheid laws. This moment marked a turning point in the global struggle for racial equality. Since then, the United Nations has designated this day to raise awareness about the need to eliminate all forms of racial discrimination. Racial discrimination is not limited to any one country or continent. It manifests in various ways: unequal access to education, healthcare, jobs, and justice, as well as hate crimes, prejudice, and social exclusion. Despite the progress made over the decade, racial inequality continues to affect millions of people around the world. Today, as we reflect on this day, we are reminded that the fight against racial discrimination requires more than just awareness. It demands action. We all have a role to play, whether it's challenging bias, supporting anti-racism initiatives, or advocating for policy changes. Every small effort counts in the larger fight for racial justice and equality. So, as we observe the International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination in 2025, let's commit to not only acknowledge the issue, but also actively work towards a world where every individual, regardless of their race or ethnicity, is treated with dignity and respect. Remember, combating racial discrimination is an ongoing journey, and it starts with each of us making a difference. Let's continue to educate ourselves, speak out, and work together to create a future free of racial discrimination. You're listening to VIT Community Radio 90.8 FM, and this is your RJ and Mariya signing off.